Question 1. At 7 a.m., a bus left Ganji town and traveled towards Bari town at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. At the same time, a truck left Bari town and traveled towards Ganji town at an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. At 11:30 a.m., the two vehicles were 30 km apart. If the two vehicles had passed by 11:30 a.m., find the distance between the two towns. Okay, so let's draw all of this out. We know that at 7 a.m., a bus left Ganji town and traveled towards Bari town at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. And at the same time, so 7 a.m., a truck left Bari town and traveled towards Ganji town at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. And we know that at 11:30 a.m., the two vehicles had already passed, so they won't be at the same spot. So maybe around here, 11:30 a.m. And we know that the distance between these 2 points is 30 kilometers. And we also know, since we have both of these timings, 7 a.m. and 11:30 a.m., we can find the time they were traveling for, which would be 4 hours and 30 minutes. So whenever we see minutes over here and our speeds are in terms of hours, we need to convert minutes into hours. So 4 hours and 30 divided by 60. Why 30 divided by 60? Because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So if you want to convert minutes into hours, we have to divide it by 60 minutes. And if we simplify this, we will be left with 4.5 hours. Okay, so now we know our time and the speed of the bus and the truck. We can find the distance the bus traveled and the distance the truck traveled. So distance traveled by bus would be 50 kilometers per hour times 4.5 hours. And this gives us 225 km. Now for our truck, distance traveled by truck. So again, speed times time. So we have 30 kilometers per hour times 4.5 hours. We will be left with 135 km. So we know that this distance is 135 km. And this distance is 225 km. So if you want to find the distance between two towns, we can add up 225 and 135 minus 30 km, because you realize that 225 and 135 already include a 30 km, so we need to minus off. Okay, so distance between the two towns would be 225 km plus 135 km minus 30 km. So this gives us 330 km. So this is your final answer.